Hey guys, here is my foundation slash contour routine and a little bit of a hair tutorial also thrown in there for you. We're going to go ahead and get started with this MAC strobing cream. I'm going to use it as my primer and moisturizer. And then we're going to go in with the Hourglass Stick Foundation in the color Golden. I absolutely love this foundation. We're going to add some Fix Plus, and we're going to use our Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to blend that all in. Once it's all blended in, we're going to go ahead and contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. Love this color to contour with. I'm going to contour my cheeks, my jaw, my nose, and the bottom of my lip, but as you can see, not my forehead, just because I am lacking in real estate in that area. It's very small, my forehead, so I never want to contour that. I'm going to go ahead and blend that in using a Morphe brush. And it doesn't have a number just because it came with one of the brush kits, but if I do find a similar one, I will post down below. Make sure everything is blended out nicely with this brush. And then we're going to go in with the concealer, which is NYC, which only cost me $3. I absolutely love this concealer. I'm going to add a little bit under the eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and around my nose where I tend to get red. And then I'm going to take the beauty sponge and blend that out as well. And then we're going to go ahead and set all that in with powders. And I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit in medium to tan. I'm going to take the darkest shade for setting in my cheek contour, as well as my jaw and the temples. And then I'm going to go back in with blush from a Morphe palette. And then really quickly, I'm going to go back to that contour kit, take the lighter contour shade, and contour my nose. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a highlighting pencil down the bridge of my nose with that highlighting shade from the palette, as well as highlight my cheeks, all my cheekbones. And right after that, we're going to go ahead and finish up the eyes. We're going to take that contour shade and smoke out that bottom lash line. And then we're going to go ahead and add mascara. And then we're going to go ahead here and do our lips. And this is the Italia lip liner in the color Plum. Absolutely love this color. And on top of that, we're going to go ahead and take Makeup Revolution matte lipstick in the color Private Members Club. This shade is so vampy. I absolutely love it for the winter time. We're going to make sure that it's lined really nicely. And then we're pretty much all done with our makeup. And then we're going to go ahead and take these curlers out of my hair. I'm going to show you how I have just a dime size of Moroccan oil is all I need to style my hair. And I just simply use my hands. It's such a great product to take away any of the frizziness of my hair. And I use very minimal heat. So I love this style. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe.